Video out here in the field, something special, a lot of fun. We got long range Tony setting up behind us. This is what we're doing. We're going to fly that wing around, land this whoop inside on a little basket we've got up there, and see if we can achieve it or if it's just going to be an absolute disaster. So stay tuned and let's have some fun. Special video today, a long range Tony. What are we actually doing here?
All right, so what the plan of attack today is to land this little micro whoop into the basket that is securely tightened to the top of this Navy Cub. Few challenges today. One is trying to line it up and get it in. Stuart's flying's not the best at the best of times. I think the biggest challenge is we've been brought to a field which is not desirable from a takeoff perspective. You can have a look at the runway, Stuart. It's pretty crap.
Yep.
So
we have seen better runways.
So we're relying on some short takeoff characteristics today.
We've zip tied a little. Shout out to my wife for giving me a little basket which we cut and zip tied to the top of the plane.
We've got for viewing pleasure. We've got a GoPro sitting on the front. I must say it hasn't really enhanced the flying characteristics.
No, we've given it a test flight. It seems a bit wobbly.
But you know, he who dares wins. So let's just give it a go.
Thanks, Mike Whitney. So anyway, let's do it. I don't know how many takes this is going to take. I just had to run home. I'm absolutely wrecked because I forgot my batteries for this bad boy. But let's do it. Let's see if we can land this little whoop, show you some different angles and some footage, and see if we can land it inside Tony's wing. So let's do it. Do you think we'll be successful?
Yeah, I do. I have faith.
I don't think we'll find out. Let's fingers crossed. Yes, no, are we going to be able to land this in and then have the plane come in and land as well? So with this still inside. Yes, no,
yes,
hit
no,
that
or
pole.
I don't give a shit.
That was a little bit sketchy.
That's okay, we're up.
Alrighty. Give us a gentle pass first. Once you got your goggles down.
Hang on. I need to, oh, hang on.
You going down? Yep.
Hang on. My goggles aren't working.
What do you mean?
I've got no signal in my goggles.
Do you want me to find the right channel?
Yeah, hang on. Let me just bring my plane around.
Yeah,
okay.
you fly it back line of sight.
Can you just take my goggles
and find them on the channel?
Find me.
Yep.
Yep. I just need to change the channel. They're on R1. Oh.
What happened then?
Stalled.
We might not even get a shot. How's that?
That's all right. They were just way too low. I couldn't see.
All right. You okay?
Yeah.
How's she flying up there?
Minimum trim reached.
Interesting, Stuart. That's all I'll say.
Okay, give us a pass.
All right.
This could be going terribly.
You know this is my favourite plane, Stuart, don't you?
All right. Come on, you giving us a pass? All right. So I've got to try and land in that.
Yep.
All right.
All right, but what I want to do, I need to get my head tracker working.
Yeah, you tell me when to push and what button to push.
Are both leads plugged in, Stuart?
Yes.
They are. Yep.
Yep.
For definite?
Yep.
All right, so hang on. Let me just get it up so we don't kill each other. That's it, got it.
All right. And you're good there. All right, I almost pushed him into this thorn bush. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug in. You said you're on R1, right?
Yep. That
might be the channel that I'm flying around on. So you might have to do some line of sight in a second.
Let me just get up then.
Yep, I'm gonna put this down.
Yeah, okay, you turn on.
You ready?
Yeah, turn. Oh, stall.
I haven't pushed in. Oh no, Tony!
All right, we're coming in hot.
Are you landing?
No. No, we've got to come in, mate.
Oh, beautiful landing. Okay, so we're having some technical difficulties. I've got my VTX on the right channel now. Tony's almost smashed it about 6 times. So take 2. I don't know. Hey, how hopeful are you feeling now? He's giving me this. Take 2. Oh no! Tony!
We're okay. We're okay.
This is not going to plan. You know, where are we at now on the scale? We broke a prop. Tony, what's the damage?
All right.
Is that supposed to wiggle like that?
No. Hobby King, if you're listening, hit me up. No, this is all busted here.
Yep.
That's not supposed to do that. And the spars popped out of there and the wing's broken where we put that on. So it's back to...
And you broke the prop, right? At the
I
front.
broke the prop, yep. And for some reason, okay, one of the receiver pins has come out too. That's why it's not working. Yep.
So what happened there?
So takeoff.
Yep.
We're trying to do a short takeoff and I stalled it, and it just tip stalled. So my fault. It was just trying to
Should we have hand launched it maybe in these? No, or it's not much better.
Yeah, maybe that's a chance for next time. But oh well, you learn. We try again.
All right. So stay tuned. Who knows where this episode's going?